In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat 2026. If you've got a web page or an HTML file you need to share as a clean portable PDF, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish using Adobe Acrobat 2026. You'll just need Acrobat installed and your HTML file saved on your computer. When you're ready, open Adobe Acrobat 2026. Give it a moment to load to the home view so you can see all the creation tools up front. From the main screen, choose Create. If you don't see that on your home view, you can get to the same place by going to Tools and selecting Create PDF. Both paths open the same creation workflow, and this is where Acrobat gathers content from different sources and turns it into a PDF you can share or archive. Next, select Create PDF from File. This option tells Acrobat you're converting something that already exists on your computer, rather than pulling from a scanner, clipboard, or another source. It's the most direct route for turning an HTML page into a PDF. Now browse to the HTML you want to convert. Acrobat supports common extensions like .html and .htm. If your page references external images, style sheets, or fonts, Acrobat will do its best to pull those in during conversion as long as the paths are accessible from your machine. Keep in mind that highly dynamic content driven by scripts, animations, or live data usually won't behave the same way in a static PDF, so what you'll get is a faithful snapshot of the rendered page. Once you've selected the file, click Open. Acrobat will automatically begin the conversion. You may see a brief progress indicator. When it's done, the PDF opens right away in Acrobat, so you can view the result. Page breaks, fonts, and spacing are determined by how the HTML renders, so you might notice slight differences from the browser, especially with complex layouts. That's normal for most HTML to PDF workflows. When you're satisfied with what you see, it's time to save. Go to File, then Save As. Choose the folder where you want the document to live. Give the file a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later, and click Save. Acrobat writes the PDF to your chosen location, ready to share, print, or archive. And that's the complete process. Open Acrobat, start Create or Tools. Create PDF. Choose Create PDF from File, pick your HTML, open it to convert, and save the finished PDF. With these steps, you